Welcome back to the channel, guys. Out here at the creek, I got some new gear today. I'm gonna try this white. I also got some forget what it's called, same shape but a black and silver instead of a white, and then some brown and green frogs. I'll show them to you as I use them. But August 4th, probably won't release this one for a while, but yeah, beautiful evening, a little bit windy. Hopefully it doesn't make it too bad for the GoPro, but we're gonna give it a shot. Stick around. Oh, he had it and then he got off. I hope I got that on video. I knew there was probably one down there. I caught one out of this hole last time. Let's try that again. Should have let him have it a little bit, I guess. Oh, that wind's gonna be terrible tonight. Alright, he probably learned his lesson. It does look good going through the water though. Cast it on down a little bit. Oh, that scared one out of there. Fish number one. He's about to get off of there if he flops again. Well, just about he did. Just about. Not a bad fish. He gone. There he is. Hold still. Hold still. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect catch. Fat little bugger. There you go. Good little fish. Now jump out of the water. Or not. Alright, that was a good one. I'm gonna go right over there, trying that, just the other side of that moss over there. See if I can get some. This is all muddy here. Nutria and beavers have a spot on this side where they store their, it's probably just the beavers, where they store their sticks on the bottom. Food. Makes it all muddy and nasty, I guess. I don't know much about it, but that's what I assume, because there's a lot of sticks in here. And there's not really trees around this area at all. So, and there's a den hole right there. So there's a lot of, oh, might get stuck in here yet. It's real deep mud here. It's not very deep water, but mud's pretty deep. Just need to get just up here just a little bit, and I should be able to cast in here. Oh, I see fish swirling out there, so who knows if it's bass or could be just little guys too. I don't know what it is for sure. We'll find out here in a minute. If they're hungry, at least. Nope, they ain't hungry. Do know that. Go up a little further. Seemed to be one anyway. Let's see what's right there. Nothing really. I know just on the other side, just right up there at the end, there's a deeper pool, and I caught some fish out there the other evening. Actually, this should have produced. It's deep enough, a little bit over knee deep. Should have been some good ones down in there. I think I can reach them from here easily. Love the way these things come through the water. It's looks like it'd be deadly on a bass for sure. Yeah, they ain't biting on. Oh, never mind that. Little bitty guy. Little bitty guy. Yeah, he's a little guy. Got him in the eyeball. Sorry about that, buddy. That was fish number 3. Tiny Tim. Alrighty. Yeah, he was pretty little. Move on up a bit. Alright, I just changed it over to that black and silver. See what we can get here. Saw a fish swirl up there right when I cast it. It was right beside it. Black and silver. Looks like it should be on fire. Maybe it didn't keep the water warm enough for him to go. I think it'll pick up here after a while. Hey, that was one. He didn't keep a hold of it though. There he did. Come here. Boy, he choked that sucker. Hold me back. How do you even have that much room in your belly? Oh, it's coming out the gills. Look at that. Hey, stop it. Boy, I don't know about this. Listen, got hooked in the... maybe it'll come out. I don't know if he's gonna do so good. He choked that thing. He might not make it. I don't like when they do that, but not much I can do about it, to be honest with you. There he is. Boy, he's trying his best to get out of here. Come on. That's a little better one. Goodness, them hooks do the job, man. There you go. Another decent little bass. There he is. That's the one I was trying to get before. Finally come up out of there. That's a decent one there. Hey, come here. Goodness. That hook wasn't coming out of there. Good fish. Sweet. There you go. He gone. That was a good little bass though. Hey, come here. Got it. Missed it first time, came back for it. Oh, what do we got here? That's a good one. I ain't got him very good though. Yeah, that's a good one. Turn this way so the wind isn't quite so bad. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Here you go. Sweet. That's a good one. Try some more of that. They're coming out feeding topwater now. Should have had that on like a whopper plopper or something. Oh yeah. Oh, little guy. Get the moon in the background here. Well, I'm gonna head on back to the truck. Hopefully this wind wasn't too bad tonight, but it's been a great evening. Caught some pretty decent bass for in here. So yeah, I'm happy with the way it went. I'm happy with these baits that I bought tonight. And yeah, thanks for coming along, and make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, and make sure that you share it with everybody that likes bass fishing. There's a lot of people that like bass fishing, so crazy old skeeters. Anyway, it was a great evening. Peace out.